Hello, this is Keanu Freitas with the GuesSING application, and this is the postmortem. So let's go into the menu here on the phone, look for our icon, and select the GuesSING application. So right here, we're going to open up right into the deck selection view controller, and this is where you can actually see the different decks that are available that are being pulled from Firebase real-time database. If I go under Kids, I have two buttons, and one is normal, which is 60 seconds of gameplay, and expert will be 30 seconds. If I scroll down, it's the same for each of the other decks. So let's choose one deck, which is music hits, and I'm going to go under normal. It's going to give us 60 seconds of game time play. So if I go here to the left, then that's skipped. If I go to the right, then it's correct. So if I go through here, let's say I'm playing the game, and I'm going to go through the entire deck while the timer's still going. It's going to take us directly to the scoreboard scoreboard view. Alright, so here's the scoreboard view. It gives you what was skipped, and then it gives you a number of the ones that were correct. And then it also gives you the phrases that were all skipped and all the phrases that were correct. And that's the scoreboard. If I go back into game here, I can select another deck to play. And let's go under expert so we can do 30 seconds. And let's go through the deck a little bit. These are the different phrases. As you can see, there's different animation for it. If I go up here into the corner, it's going to go over to the side. If I go down here, then it'll slide over to the side. So it's kind of pulling it either to the right here or pulling it to the left. It really depends on where you put the card. If I go up, it'll snap back down. And if I go back here, then it'll snap up. Once the timer runs out, it'll take you to the scoreboard page, and it'll give you what was skipped and the number that was correct, as well as the phrases here. Alright, and that is for the game deck selection as well as the gameplay. If I go here to settings, then I can go under tutorials, and it'll take you directly to the YouTube GuesSING channel where you can actually watch that tutorial if you want to, and then it'll give you pretty much the tutorial on how to play the game and whatnot. If I go back out here to settings, and then I go under credits, then here is the different credits that are a part of the application. So let's go under my name here, and I'm going to have an image and then a bio here, as well as my first and last name, and then it's going to have links to my Instagram as well as Facebook so that the users can follow us if they want to. So let's go under Instagram just to show you a quick example. And there you go. And if I go back in under Facebook, and there you go. Let's go back to settings here, and then there's one more settings, which is the terms and conditions. If I press into it, then it will give you a scroll view of the actual terms and conditions for the GuesSING application. So these are the three tabs here. Feed. Feed is actually for the future. After this project, I'm going to create a feed and allow the application to be social, just like the iOS version. And if I go back into game, here's our game. There are going to be much more decks available in the future. And then if I go into settings, then here's our settings here. I'm also going to add a logout function as well, and a my profile function in the future as well. Alright, and that is the GuesSING application. That was my complete project, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.